Hi everyone, JJ here with ASUS, and today we're going to be talking about one of my favorite features on ASUS Strix series graphics cards, specifically ASUS Max Contact. This is a super impressive, innovative, and performance-oriented design that's really about taking your graphics card's performance to the next level, especially when we talk about ASUS's Strix series mantra of cooler, quieter, and faster. So let's find out more about ASUS Max Contact. So what is Max Contact? In short, it's our precision machined GPU heat spreader. Essentially, when you take a look at our graphics card underneath the shroud itself, you take a look past the high performance axial static pressure optimized fans, you take a look at the actual heatsink assembly, you flip it over and you take a closer look at the heat pipes, and then actually what's connected to those heat pipes, you'll find the heat spreader itself. The heat spreader is actually critical and really maximizing the overall effectiveness and the efficiency of the conduction of heat from the GPU die to the overall heatsink assembly, and then ultimately be cooled by the thermal solution. Where Max Contact comes into play is that it's extremely efficient due to its superior flatness and overall superior contact that it makes between the heat spreader and the GPU die. Through precise machining, we're able to achieve a significantly smoother surface area for the actual GPU heat spreader. In fact, when compared to traditional GPU heat spreaders, we actually achieve up to 2 times better contact and overall a 10 times flatter surface. And ultimately what this allows for is more effective and efficient heat conduction from that GPU die to the actual heatsink assembly. And this is overall part of the total thermal solution that we have on our Strix series cards, once again allowing us to hit that focus of being cooler, quieter, and faster. Taking a closer look at the GPU heat spreader, you can see that it has an almost mirror-like appearance, very similar to the high-performance blocks that are present under custom water cooling type setups. This is once again a reinforcement to show you the level of precise machining that's going into the production of the Max Contact GPU heat spreader. Now, it's not just about aesthetics. That super clean and polished heat spreader also allows for a smoother and easier experience when it comes to, let's say, either cleaning off the thermal interface material, or TIM, as well as actually upgrading to even higher performing thermal interface material if you're looking to squeeze out just a little bit even better temperature performance. Because of its smooth nature, it's much easier to go ahead and wipe away the thermal compound and then go ahead and reapply it and make sure that it's evenly distributed across the surface area of the GPU heat spreader, maximizing the overall conduction from the GPU die through the thermal interface material to the Max Contact GPU heat spreader, and therefore to the rest of the actual heatsink assembly. Now, as always with Strix series innovations, we really focus first and foremost on performance, and that's definitely what you get with this Max Contact based design. In fact, in the real world, whether you're playing games, whether you're doing GPU compute applications, or whether you're utilizing GPU assist within content creation applications, you're going to get a better experience. You're going to have lower temperatures in any one of those scenarios. You're also going to have a quieter experience because the card's going to run cooler, allowing the fans to run that much more slowly, or they actually are even be able to operate in 0 dB mode, which means the card will effectively be silent, as well as actually in certain situations, depending on the GPU architecture for the card, you can actually have increased clock speeds because the actual card is running so cool. And of course, for tweakers and tuners out there, this overall high performance thermal solution that's present just gives you that much more headroom that if you're looking to manually tweak and tune your clock speeds via GPU tweak, you can go ahead and take advantage of that readily and easily. So that wraps up our quick overview on another key feature on ASUS Strix series graphics cards. And hopefully it provides once again a reinforcement to the value proposition that you get by considering and ultimately putting in an ASUS Strix series graphics card into your build. We definitely focus on giving you cards that are not only built for a high level of performance, quality, and reliability, but also bring true innovation across a wide number of functions and features, as well as areas of performance. And definitely you can see that highlighted in these different overviews where we've touched on just some of the really cool features that you have in Strix series graphics cards. As always, hopefully you found this interesting and useful. If you have any feedback or questions, feel free to go ahead and drop them in the comment section down below. While you're down there, if you can go ahead and hit the like and the subscribe button, that would be super appreciated. And you can also go ahead and check out all the links to all ASUS's social media channels so you can find out what's going on and what new products are coming out from ASUS. As always, take care, take it easy, and enjoy the rest of your day.